Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Dan Schaefer. Tomorrow morning, defense attorneys for the man accused of one of Madison County's biggest mass murders are expected to make their case. Now, the prosecution rested this evening after a lengthy questioning of Christopher Henderson's first wife, who was also facing more than a dozen charges for the murders. WAAY 31's Alex Torres Perez spoke to a local attorney about the case. She joins us live with a look at what we might expect from the defense tomorrow. Alex?
Dan, that attorney I spoke with told me that he believes the defense will actually try to take advantage of the plea deal that allowed Christopher Henderson's wife to testify against him. He also believes this case isn't a matter of innocence or guilt, but rather a matter of life or death.
Big push in this case for the defense is going to be trying to get the person life without parole instead of death.
Mark McDaniel is a local defense attorney with more than 40 years of experience. He says he's been in similar situations time and time again.
The primary goal of any defense lawyer in a capital murder case is to save their client's life. That's the issue.
He believes the defense will try to use Rhonda Carlson's plea deal to their advantage. She agreed to testify against her husband, Christopher Henderson, in order to avoid the death penalty. She will now serve life without parole for the same crime Henderson is accused of.
They're going to argue she was the mastermind, and their client shouldn't get a greater sentence than her.
However, McDaniel says prosecutors will not back down and believes the deal is necessary in order for them to make their case.
Defense, again, they're going to be saying, made a deal with the devil. Deal with the devil. And the prosecutor will say, yep, we sure did. We made a deal with the devil to get the worst devil right there. You know, that's what it's going to come out.
Now, if the jury convicts Henderson, a second trial will immediately commence, and both sides will have to show whether or not Henderson does deserve the death penalty. Then the jury will deliberate again and come to a decision. Now, because the crime took place before April 2017, the trial will actually follow an old Alabama law where the jury can only make a recommendation, meaning it will be up to the judge to make that final decision. Reporting live in Huntsville, Alex Torres Perez, WAAY 31 News.
Thanks, Alex. And once the jury makes their recommendation on the sentencing, a separate hearing will be held weeks after the judge's decision.